हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत क्वेश्चन बँक फॉर फायनल एक्झाम ऑफ TYBBA CA सब्जेक्ट .NET फ्रेमवर्क चॅप्टर नंबर 2 पार्ट 3 आपण बघणार आहोत. ऑलरेडी आपण चॅप्टर 2 चे काही पार्ट्स हे अपलोड केलेले आहेत. चला तर मग आजच्या व्हिडिओला स्टार्ट करूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हॉट आर द स्टेप्स टू क्रिएट विंडो ॲप्लिकेशन? To create a window application, steps are: first, select file, then new, then project. Select Visual Basic Projects in the project type pan on the left side of the dialog box. Select Window Application in the Templates pane on the right side of the dialog box. Enter a name in the name text box and click OK. Next question. Explain Windows Form Control in VB.NET. Windows Forms Control are reusable components that encapsulate user interface functionality and are used in client-side window-based applications. Not only does Windows Form provide many ready-to-use controls, it also provides the infrastructure for developing your own controls. Next question. Explain any 5 properties of window form control in VB.NET. Back color. It is used to set background color for the form. Background image. It is used to set background image of the form. Cursor. It is used to set the cursor image when it hovers over the form. Allow drop. Using the allow drop control in a form, it allows whether to drag and drop on the form. Font. It is used to get or set the font used in a form. Lock. It determines whether the form is locked or not. Form border style. It is used to set or get border style in a form. Text. It is used to set the title of the form window. Minimize box. Minimize box. It is used to display minimum option on the title bar of the form. Next question. Explain any 5 methods of window form control in VB.NET. Some methods, that is events, are activated. An activated event is found when the user or program activates the form. Click. A click event is active when the form is clicked. Close. A close event is found before closing the form. Closing. It exists when a form is closing. Double click. The double click event is activated when a user double clicks on the form. Drag drop. A drag drop event is activated when a drag and drop operation is performed. Mouse down. A mouse down event is activated when the mouse pointer is on the form and the mouse button is pressed. Got focus. A got focus event is activated when the form control receives a focus. Help button click. It is activated when a user click on the help button. These are some events which are used in window form control. Next question. Explain textbox control in VB.NET. Textbox control is used to accept input from user or to display text. It can display multiple lines wrap text to the size of control. This control is based on the text box base class, which is used or based on the control class. By default, user can enter up to 2048 characters in a text box, but if the multiline property is set to true, user can enter up to 32 KB of text. Next question. Explain any 5 properties of text box control in VB.NET. Some properties of text box control are: text align for setting text alignment, scroll bars for adding scroll bars both vertical and horizontal, multiline to set the text box control to allow multiple lines, max length for specifying the maximum character number the text box control will accept, index for specifying the index of control array, enabled for enabling the text box control, read only. If set to true, you will able to use the text box control, and if set to false, you won't be able to use the text box control. Selection start for setting or getting the starting point for the text box control. Selection length for setting or getting the number of characters that have been selected in the text box control, and selected text return the text box control that is currently selected. Next question, explain label control in VB.NET. The label control represents a standard Windows label. It is generally used to display some informative text on the GUI which is not changed during runtime. The label class is defined in the system. Next question, explain any 5 properties of label control in VB.NET. Label control properties are auto size. As the name defines, an auto size property of label control is used to set or get a value if it is automatically resized to display all its contents. Border style. It is used to set the style of the border in the Windows form. Preferred width. It is used to set or get the preferred width for the label control. Font. It is used to get or set the font of the text displayed on a window form. Preferred height. It is used to set the height for the label control. Text align. It is used to set the alignment of text such as center, bottom, top, left or right. For color, it is used to set the color of the text. It is used to set the name of the label in the window form. Context menu. It is used to get or sets the shortcuts menu associated with the label control. Default size. It is used to get the default size of the label control. These are some properties. You will explain any 5 properties of label control in VB.NET. Explain rich text box control in VB.NET. The rich text box allows formatting the text. It also provides the facility to save the text in the file and restore it from the file. Drag and drop rich text box control from the toolbox on the window form. Next question, explain link label control in VB.NET. Link label is a class which is derived from label class. So it has all the functions of label class, but link label also work as a hyperlink. This control does not automatically provide actual linkage to anything nor by default. It changes the color of the link once it has been visited. चॅप्टर 2 चे आणखी क्वेश्चन आपण नेक्स्ट पार्टमध्ये बघूया. आमच्या चॅनल सोबत राहा. थँक्यू.